All right, I'm out here to feed my worms, and I want you to look at the worms. They are content, believe me. Banana peelings, look, see them? They all down in here. Now, what I'm gonna do today, if you'll look, there's banana peelings everywhere in here, and there's worms everywhere in here too. But it's beautiful black dirt, beautiful. Now what I'm gonna do here, I should have, look at the worms in there. Oh, anyway, I just threw a bunch of apple peelings and stuff down in there on that end. I feed them in different places. I want them to move around. I don't want them staying in one spot. They done ate everything in this area. No, not all of it. Not quite all of it anyway. So what I'm gonna do, that is the prettiest black dirt you ever seen. I mean, look at that. And look at the worms. Anyway, I just dumped the peelings. So here's what I'm gonna do. This is coffee grounds that Mama and I use, Bobby and I. So I just dump them. And if you'll notice, I'm dumping filters and all. See that? Big old wet mess. And just kind of pull it down in there. Cover it up with all them worms. Look at that. Look at the worms. All right. That's basically what I do. Now, like I said, that's a sweet potato. I'll plant that later on in the year. And if you'll notice, popping up everywhere is my little potato sprouts popping up. I'll dig them up, plant them when it warms up a little bit. But other than that, the old worm bin's looking good, looking really good. I just sold a worm farm and $25 worth of worm poop. So it's doing good. Hardly no maintenance at all. I also, look, notice the white powder, okay? Now that white powder is this right here. 6-star plant-based protein. Now, what I do, I have a lot of friends that work out, and every once in a while some of this stuff will get outdated for whatever reason, and they'll bring it to me. Well, I've been doing that for years. The worms love it. Sprinkle a little white powder on top of the fruit peelings and coffee grounds and pour a little water in there and get it damp and forget them. For 6 or 8 weeks, forget them. And they'll just breed, multiply, and be the happiest things you ever seen.